Howdy folks, and welcome to Uber Locker. Now once you have installed the plugin like any other plugin, go to plugins, add new, and make sure you actually grab the plugin, not the entire zip file. The actual plugin is inside a folder called plugin inside. So make sure you install the plugin, and once you've installed it, you should see something like this, Uber Content Locker. It's right here. Now, before we get started, we need to go ahead and configure it. Now, just go ahead and click on it, and it will take you to the configuration page. Now, keep in mind that you don't have to do the entire configuration. You can just do one if that's what you want to do. So, for example, most of my opt-ins are, for a phone number, okay? Now, for that reason, I don't need Facebook or Twitter or LinkedIn, so I ignore it. Now, I'm going to show you all of them, of course, so let's go ahead and get started. Now, if you want to do Twilio, head over to twilio.com and get an account. Once you get an account, you will need to get a phone number, but in my case, I'm going to go ahead and log in. If you don't have a Twilio account, create one. It will ask you to deposit a $20 that you can actually use. Once you have done that, you'll need to click on this button and click on phone numbers and just buy a phone number. There's nothing else to just buy a phone number. Now, once you've bought the phone number, go to account and click on account on the top, and it will take you to, let me go to dashboard. Maybe it's on the dashboard. Okay, there you go. And you need to copy account SID. Copy that up and paste it right over here. Click here, click on it here, copy that and paste it right over here. Cool. And that's pretty much it. We can go ahead and put in your email address. Click on Save Twilio. Now, Twilio is actually ready to rock and roll. If you're not using Facebook and Twitter, we're good to go. Scroll down all the way. Come here. You can either buy a phone number if you want to, right? Just like this. You can, search for a phone number, I guess. No number found. Let's go and see if we can find. There you go. You can buy a phone number right from it if you want to, but you have already bought a phone number. So if you already have it, click on existing number. Simple, right? That's our phone number that I already bought. I'm going to go ahead and click on the plus sign. And the number has been assigned to my system. Now, if I were to just using Twilio, I don't need to do the rest of the stuff, and I can skip to creating my web forms. But I'm going to show you how to do the entire thing. So now Facebook settings, very simple, very simple. Developers.facebook.com. If you already have an app, you can use it. No problem there. Let's see, I'm going to call it Uber Content Locker. Okay. You can choose business if you like. It'll ask you to put in some kind of number. If you get it wrong for the first time, that's okay. I've gotten it wrong many times. Okay. Once you get here, go to dashboard, and we just need to get the API ID. That's all we need to do. We don't need to worry about the rest of it. If you want to, click on settings and add an app icon, all these things if you want to. Okay, that's your choice. You do have to add the app domain, so I'm going to go ahead and add my domain. Just add the main domain, and that's enough. Click on it right there, click on add platform, website, and that thing right here, and click on save at the bottom, and we are pretty much ready to go. And keep in mind, you can add an icon by clicking here if you like. Now let's go back to this thing right here. Put in your application ID, click on save settings, and guess what? You're done with Facebook settings. Now let's move on to Twitter. For Twitter, it's dev.twitter.com. It might ask you to log in. You should have your logins right. Click on it right there. Sign in. Log in. may take a while to log you in. I'm recording my screen, so that's why it's giving me it. Okay, click on create an app. I can go ahead and put in my domain right over there. We can leave the Twitter part, this callback URL blank. Click on create your Twitter application and click on key and token ID, consumer key, copy that up and go to your account, consumer key, consumer secret, access token, too much, right? Click on create on that. Okay. Access token. Go ahead and put that back here. Access token. Access token secret. And click on save. Okay, cool. Now we need LinkedIn. If you want to use it, you'll head over to developer.linkedin.com. You know what, guys? I'm gonna put in the link on this page, somewhere on this page, so you can use it. Click on create an application. Create an application. Application logo. I guess we need to find a logo. Let me find a logo. Added the logo. Application use. I can go ahead and put others if I want. Okay. Put in the website. Put in your email address, phone number, and click on this. And it says I need to find another image for the logo. So I added a proper image. It gave me the information. Here's your client ID, and let's paste that over here, and your client secret. So roughly it took me what, 8 minutes to do the entire thing. Not bad, right? Not bad. So we are pretty much done. Okay, now basically what the system does is it allows you to create lockers, meaning you can, for example, you have a content and you want people to contribute some kind of something in order to get access, and when they contribute you should be able to contact them through email or phone number and other various methods. Okay, now let's go ahead and start. We will go and create something called web forms. Now when you click here, come here, it won't show anything. Click on create a web form. I'm going to give it a name, so demo test. Keyword, I'm going to call it I don't know, demo. Okay, now this unlock code is the code that that is used to unlock access. Now this code will be provided via email or via your via their SMS if you use Twilio. Okay, I don't want to waste too much time with the design, but you guys get the idea. You can make it as pretty as you want, change images, all that good stuff. Okay, and if I want to make it if I don't want it to be full site, I can go and put a thing right here. I can put any text. Okay, now web form type. Basically what that means is how do you want to use it. So for SMS, click on SMS, pick your phone number, click on save. Okay, Now this code right here, let's copy it. Let's go and create a new page. This is the test. Now let's pretend that demo A, okay, and content goes here, or download goes here, okay, basically whatever you want. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put in this code right there, okay, on the top. I'm gonna go ahead and click on publish. Now basically the content will not be visible. Let's check it out. Okay, as you can see right here, this content is locked. So basically people need to text demo to this phone number in order to get an unlocked code. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up my phone and actually text it because I haven't. Okay, let's go ahead and text it. I'm gonna text demo, and it should give me a code back. And you guys know we already said the code, but okay, I got the code, and the code is L05Z4. Okay, and unlock. And I might have gotten that wrong. It's I don't know if it's I or a. Let me go back and check. 1 second, guys. Click on edit. Was that an I? Let me just make it. Okay. Great. Let me go ahead and try it one more time. I'm going to go and text demo. If it says, yeah, I think it was I instead of L. And I got a text. It says GAIRE and unlock. And it's unlocked, right? You get the idea. Now, let's go back to the page. Okay, now basically, your information, if you go to contact list, hey, guess what? That's my phone number right there, right? Now, look at this, guys, look at this. Initially, I tried with this number, right? And as you can see, unlocked, no. But, I changed it because this is an I, not an L. Don't worry about that. See, it says unlocked, yes. So you have their phone number. Cool. Now, what can you do with their phone number? You can extract it or click on SMS sender and you can send them a message. Your subscriber list is this. Your subscriber list is going to be basically your form list. So basically, the name of your form is your list. Make sense? Click on single. You can send it to a single number if you want. You can even send them images. Pretty cool, huh? Right? Let me go in. This is text and send message, and it should send me. Okay, some numbers. Let's see if I got the text. I got it, guys. I got the text. So that's how you work it with the SMS. Now let's go back to web forms. Okay, I'm gonna click on this button. Now this time, I don't want to redo the form, right? I'm going to do social media. I got Facebook, Twitter and all that good stuff. I'm going to do Twitter. And let's see, let me refresh it one more time. Social media. Now, if you were to use Pinterest, you can add an image. Okay, I'm going to use Twitter. I don't remember my Twitter ID. Let me go and find it. And my Twitter ID is, I'm going to use Grace Steels. Okay, and let's head back over to here. That's my Twitter. And I want to use my Facebook too. I'm going to use POTUS, something else right here. And you can do Pinterest. If you want people to, where do you want people to share? So basically what this means is that people have to share that page in order to get access. Okay, I'm just going to use these. Click on update. Now, if someone already has access to that page, for example, this page, they can get access to it in second time. So I'm going to go ahead and open it on an incognito window. I might need to close that out. Let me close this out one more time. and I'm going to reopen it, okay? Because once someone accesses it, see, let me go ahead and I might need to use a different browser for testing purpose. 1 second, guys. 1 second. There you go. I'm using a different browser here. You know, couple choice, right? I have to like it in order to see the content, or I have to follow this. I hope that makes sense. Now, once people follow it, they will obviously get access to their the content. You get the idea, and that's what that is for. Let's go back to our edit page. Okay, that's that. Now, email works a bit different. Let's go ahead and disable this. Disable it, and use email. Okay, now let's go ahead for email. Let's go ahead and put in 1 second. Put in an email address. So for example, the way you do this is you need to go ahead and add an email address right over here. Okay, you can put in any kind of email address. So for example, I'm gonna put in my email address right here. Okay, and I'm gonna put in test. Like, you know, you want to give some kind of instruction, you can click on update. Very simple. Now if we try to go back to the same page, let me just create it. 1 second. Okay, yeah, let's check it out. Gives access. Let me go ahead and see the issue is that, you know, once someone has access to your content, there's no point in asking for information twice or thrice. So basically it gives the access to the person. Let's try it one more time. Now this time around, people have to send an email to this email address. Now people have to email demo, whatever keyword you want them to email, and you know, you should give them unlock code. Now the way this one works is a bit different. The way this one works is you need to go and set up on your email to send out the unlock code, which is, you know, in my case it's GAIRE. Okay, so the way it works, the way you can use it on Gmail is, let me show you too. Basically you have to create an autoresponder. For this, what I recommend you do is create a brand new email, you know, and use it just for this, because it's going to be for marketing purpose. Correct? Does that make sense? So what you need to do is, you know, on your system, create a vacation settings and go back here on the top, and, you know, just right here, you can put lock code is, right? So basically when people email you, it will send them this email saying, hey, the unlock code is good. Cool, that makes sense. Now let's move on, and that's pretty much it. Now we also have a small feature that's, you know, that could help you out. Basically this one allows you to send out email directly from your WordPress. It works with MailChimp, Spark Post, MyMail. It also works with Aweber. Okay, and you just need to write down your email, it will send it out to you. But keep in mind that you know, this is different. You know, it's a unique feature. We just added it there just for your convenience. It will just help you out, but it doesn't really play into it too much. Okay, now that's pretty much it. Now I want you to go ahead and grab basically this tool is going to help you increase your Facebook likes, right? Help you get more followers on Twitter, help you get more followers on LinkedIn. It will also help you with Pinterest, and this will also help you, on top of it, it will also help you get phone numbers so you can directly, you know, send out an SMS to people. All right. If you have any more questions, give us open up a ticket, and we would be more than happy to help you out. Thank you.